So hi guys, let's have a look inside some of these boxes. The first one up we're going to have a look at is the Jaguar XJ-6, I think it is. XJ-S H.E. Bathurst racing car, 1986. So there you go. Let's have a look. So let's have a look. So what have we got? Now this is one of Hasegawa's older cars, so you've just got to take a little bit of interest in it. But etched metal there. It's probably the decal sheet tucked. Oh no, here we go. This is the decal sheet. Very nice. Very unusual for Hasegawa to do an Australian type vehicle, so that's very cool. Clear parts, and then you've got the usual. Oh, there's the body. There you go. And lots of detail. Chrome parts, underbody. That's quite detailed. Oh, that's very cool. Instruction sheet, usual sort of story. But no, that's sort of bit of engine detail as well. So that's going to keep you busy.
2 colours.
Oh yeah, look.
2 colours.
There's a white frame as well, so that looks like interior parts or something. Oh yeah, it is. It's part of the interior top, interior parts. So that's different. So obviously, actually, there's 2 white, 1 grey. Sorry, 2 white, 1 grey, 2 grey, and 1 chrome, and then the white body shell. So that's pretty good. So that's very nicely done. So you're looking to do a Bathurst car. Okay, it's not a V8 and all the rest of it, and it's not an actual Bathurst 1000, but it is Bathurst, 1986. So what else could you ask for? How cool's that?